So we're looking at the phonemic chart here, 44 different sounds in English. And I describe my accent as Southern British English. Let's look at the vowels, and particularly let's look at the monophthongs. So these single vowels that we get on the top left-hand side of the chart. So this chart was designed by a man called Adrian Underhill, and it's a very useful chart because it shows us where in the mouth the sounds are produced, or what the lips and what the jaw are doing. So this top row, when we make these sounds, our jaw is really quite closed. I mean, it's open, but minimally. Here, the jaw is a little bit more open, sort of relaxed and open. And this one, in this row, the jaw really is open, sort of wide open jaw. So these rows tell us how open the jaw is, vertically how open the mouth is. Whereas if we go from left to right in the columns, that's telling us the shape of the lips. So on these sounds on the left, the lips are quite open. Yeah, we've got e, a. Whereas by the time we get to this side, the lips have gone round and or like a trumpet shape, oo, or, o. So a much rounder lip and not so wide. So let's go through the individual sounds. You can repeat after me. E, e. I, I. U, u. Oo, oo. Now the second row. E, e. This sound is called schwa, by the way. This is the same sound, but it's longer. I call it long schwa, but that's not its technical name. Or. A, a. A, a. O, o. So let's go again, and this time we'll go across the top row from left to right. E, I, U. And from right to left, U, I, E. Then the middle row from left to right, E, O. I'll repeat that. E, O. And from right to left, O, E. O, E. And now the bottom row from left to right, A, O. A, O. And from right to left, O, A. O, A.